part 3 is finally here! This is my channel, Shy's Designs, and I am Cheyenne. Hello you guys, and welcome back! And if this is your first video of mine, go check out part 1 and 2 to see where we started with this piece and our best before and after furniture flips we have done in the past 6 months. And to my amazing subscribers and regular following, I want to apologize again for my absence. I have seriously been missing you guys. Quick update, I am still on the hunt for a babysitter, a regular nanny, whatever the case may be, so that I can get back to my weekly videos with you guys. So just bear with me a little bit longer. I have some amazing pieces in store for you guys. Anyways, I think I have made you guys wait long enough for this step-by-step and big reveal, so let's see how it went.
First, I started with this leather repair compound by Heirloom Traditions. The directions told me to lay it down with a flexible spatula and then to smooth it out with a glove dipped into water. So that seemed easy enough to be able to make the coat super thin and even. Because there were not any cracks in the leather, I was able to do a thin coat of leather repair to fix the peeling and the completely worn leather, which was fantastic because that meant less sanding on the back end to be done. All of the discoloration is where the leather was completely worn and or peeling from regular use. The compound gave me the ability to fix all of the existing issues with the leather and get a nice soft surface to work with and a nice even layer to apply paint to. This is kind of like spackling a hole before you prime and paint a wall. I sanded the surface with a fine grit sandpaper and sanded back until the surface felt smooth, but not too far that it would take away from the compound that I put on top of the leather to prevent further peeling. For the entire sectional, I had to give a light sanding to the base to re-round out the edges and give it a more finished, new look. And the matte black paint will enable the base to disappear into the shadows and let the gorgeous sectional leather color shine once it's all said and done. Now, onto painting. For the leather sectional, I decided to thin out the paint a bit more and apply more coats to get a more pliable and even coat in the end result of the look of the paint. Because I noticed with the ottoman going on so thick, it dried really quickly and didn't give me a lot of time to maneuver it around the ottoman and give me that smooth, flat surface I wanted. Comparing the chalk painted leather couch pros and cons to the all-in-one painted leather sectional pros and cons will be a huge bonus to helping you make the decision towards what you need or want for your own leather pieces needs. So I will definitely be sharing that with you guys in a short video soon, and I'm so excited for it. I am truly happy with how this turned out. Despite all of the challenges with the leather condition and the fact that I had to use a lot of new products to make this piece look and feel amazing, and I think the combination of the compound being super thin and the durability but flexibility that the all-in-one paint gave me gave this leather sectional the new life that it needed.
I think that comparing the chalk painted couch pros and cons to the all-in-one painted leather pros and cons will be a huge bonus to helping you guys make the decisions towards what you will need or want for your leather pieces. I am super excited about this new video and I will be sharing it very soon. I might even combine it with my tufting and sewing video so that you guys get a little bit of an all-in-one video there. Like I guys told you, this was my biggest and most expensive piece to date. I spent $520 on this total furniture flip. That was such a huge and scary risk for me, but I am loving the outcome. Factoring in my time, I probably spent upwards of 20 hours on this thing over the course of 3 weeks. because it needed a ton of work. So my break even would probably be around $800 to $1,000. Because of the size, material, condition, and finish of this leather sectional, I think I can safely put this on the market for $2,000. This piece is basically brand new. After the deep clean and the leather repair, the sewing, and the tufting, I am very confident about this price, and I hope it sells really soon. So let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for spending this time with me after so long and coming on this very adventurous adventure. I hope you enjoyed these part 1, 2, and 3 videos and happened to learn something. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. I post every Sunday morning at 8 a.m. See you then. See you then. Oh my gosh. Okay.